Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students are based in the company, so she is going to share her experience.
Hi everyone, I joined PySpiders in the month of June. First I was attending the manual classes. It was taken by Pradeep sir and Gautam sir. So they taught me about all the manual concepts. So I'm thankful for those two. And next my Python was taken by Keshav sir. So he made a Python concept very simple and easy to learn. So next the Selenium concepts was taken by Lakshmi sir. He also made the class learning more enjoyable and understanding the concept in detail. Along with this, SQL was taken by Avinash sir. So along with this, we have done boot camps, written the assignment, and everyday screening was taken. So this made me to crack my interview. So I'm thank you for all the PySpiders who supported me till the last of my placement. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.